Hey yo, what is up you guys and welcome back to the channel. I am back at it again with another Fujifilm X-Half video. So today I'll just show you guys kung ano yung mga accessories na binili ko para dito sa Fujifilm X-Half. As you can see, this is not how it really looks like. But if you got it right out of the box, kasi I already added some accessories. So I'll show you guys what are the accessories that I got, magkano yung inabot, at bakit ito yung mga binili ko na accessories. Okay, so paano ba to? So mag-iiba lang ako ng angulo dahil there's quite a lot, and palitan ko muna yung angle natin. Yan. So this is my Fujifilm X-Half. So ganito yung itsura niya. This is how it looks straight out of the box. Pero syempre minus this one. But this is a what we call a shutter topper or soft shutter, whatever you want to call it. But this is a red shutter topper. So binili ko to. So I'll start with this one. So this is the first accessory na binili ko, no? Actually, the second one. But this is, I got this from Lazada. Tama, from Lazada for 199 pesos. Yan. This is, I believe, an alloy shutter topper. So yan yung pangalawa kong binili. But asan na ba yung una kong binili? So this is the first accessory that I bought dahil yung aking patayin muna natin. Let's turn it off. Dahil yung cover ng cold shoe ay naiwala ko. So I bought this one. Yan. Para lang may nakalagay sa kanya. So this is how it looks. Yan. So, yung original kasi niya is plain lang. So, yun, binili ko to. And then, ito, magkano ko lang nabili to? Parang, I don't know, 100 pesos? Wala pa. 98 pesos. Parang ganun. So, yun. Tabi natin to dahil I'm not using this anymore. Next one, ito nga pala. This one, yung kabitan ng mga straps. Yan. Kasama na siya sa accessory pocket nung X-Half. So, nandyan na siya. Kinabit ko lang siya. And then, this one I didn't actually bought for Fujifilm for the X-Half. Kasi I already have this one, no? But inalis ko na siya dun sa isa kong camera dito. Just because I'm using a different one na for this. So I'm using like a body strap na for this kasi medyo mabigat siya. And hindi ko masyadong gusto pag naka-hand strap lang or kapag naka-neck strap. So I bought a different one for this. Nilipat ko siya dito. Yan. But originally may nakakabit dito galing din sa box ng Fujifilm X-Half. So may kasama siyang strap, pero manipis lang kasi yun, and I don't feel very secured yung camera when I'm using that. Yun, eto rin, kasama rin to. But syempre feeling ko kasi maiwawala ko to, so bumili ako ng lens cover, but medyo malaki kasi tong lens cover na to. This is size this is 49 millimeters. So, para magamit ko siya, eto na yung mga iba ko pang accessories na binili. So, before I talk about this one, ito yung pangatlo kong binili. This is a small rig na L-mount plate with silicone handle. So, binili ko siya kasi medyo nahihirapan akong i-grip to. Medyo malaki kasi yung kamay ko, as you can see. Yan. And mahirap siyang hawakan kapag ganito. So, So, I bought this one. So, isa-isa nating ikabit yung mga binili ko. Yan. So, may kasama siyang ito, parang flathead. So, screw lang natin siya. So, for this one, there's just like couple of options for a grip for Fujifilm X-Half. There's one from JJC, and then this one from Small Rig. I believe sa Small Rig meron din siyang parang wood na ganito. Ito kasi this is I don't know, silicone or rubber type. So silicone siya. Ayan. So ang maganda dito sa Small Rig is if you have a different color ng X-Half, you can buy a matching grip for your X-Half. Meron silang gray, meron sila nung isa pa yung darker na gray. Yun. So, that's the third one that I bought. So, this is magkano ba bili ko dito? I believe parang nasa 1,800 yata. Yun. So, 1,800 200 pesos. Tapos, ayun nga, yung cold shoe mount na cover, 199. And then, ito, nilagyan ko din siya ng tempered glass. Yan. So, the tempered glass cost me around 300 pesos. Kasi, yung mas mura is pang dito lang sa main screen eh. But I also bought I bought the package one that includes this one for the film window. Yan, nilagyan ko na rin siya. So yun, magkasama na sila. Yan, so that's the next one. Ano pa yung mga binili ko? Ayun, yun nga pala, ito. Yung sa JJC na ganito, na grip, medyo hindi ko gusto yung shape niya. Pero mas maganda ergonomically, mas maganda yon. Nakita ko na siya, mas maganda siya ergonomically, but I don't know, sa forma, on how it looks, I don't really like it. So, ito yung pinili ko. Ayun, so next, I bought this. So, ayun, sabi ko nga kanina, bumili ako nito nung cover ng cold shoe, but I'm not using it kasi I bought this from JJC, the thumb grip. Yan. So ito siya. So the reason why I chose JJC for the thumb grip instead of the Small Rig one, kasi meron din sa Small Rig eh. But for Small Rig, pag kinabit mo siya, ito, pakita ko muna. Dito kasi meron siyang rubber dito eh. I don't know dun sa Small Rig parang wala yata. Pero ito may rubber siya dito. So kapag kinabit mo siya, hindi siya gagasgas dito sa body ng camera. Sa parang top plate ng camera. So hindi siya gagasgas doon. Plus, kapag kinabit mo siya, this is just friction fit. No? Yan. Meron pa rin siyang cold shoe mount. Yun. So hindi ko lang ginagamit yung cover dito. Kasi I don't know. Meron kasing ito pala, may si Small Rig na grip, may kasamang cold shoe mount, and may free siya. Pero hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi mas gusto ko na walang branding yung mga accessories. Yun. Yung sa Small Rig kasi din, kapag yung sa Small Rig ang pinili ko na thumb grip, may branding siya. So ayan. That's how it looks with the thumb grip. So mas madali na siyang hawakan kapag may thumb grip, and then may eto, yung ano tawag dito? Parang L mounted plate na grip. Yun. So yun. So ano pa? Eto pa. Next, eto pala. This is how much? Let me check. Thumb grip was 600 pesos. So not bad. And this is alloy then. So when it comes to durability, matibay siya. Siyempre kasi alloy siya. Hindi siya plastic. But for the thumb grip, dalawa lang yung nagbebenta na ito na nakita ko. Si JJC at si Small Rig. But then again, ayun nga, yung sa Small Rig kasi mawawalan ng cold shoe mount. So bakit nga ba gusto ko ng may cold shoe mount? Kasi nga, I'm planning to use this like parang fully analog. I'll go manual on the film mode, and then I want to try to use yung light meter. So ganun ko siya gustong gamitin. That's how I intended to use this camera. So kaya gusto ko meron pa rin siyang cold shoe mount. So next one, ayun, ito pa. This is the lens hood specifically for X-Half. Kasi as you guys know, X-Half doesn't have parang screw dito sa sa lens niya. Wala siyang thread na pwedeng kabitan ng mga lens. So for the lens hood, meron din si Small Rig, but I chose JJC. Number one, because of the look. Kasi this is more mas old school yung itsura niya, mas vintage. Yung sa Small Grip kasi parang ganito lang siya eh. Yan, very basic lang eh. Sa Small Rig, oo, very basic lang yung itsura niya. Pero yung dito sa JJC, mas vintage yung dating niya. At meron pang reason. So this is again friction fit. And then ito, yan. Meron lang siyang parang may slot dito, tapos dito may ganun lang siya. Ayan, may groove lang. So hindi naman siya the screw, but ganun lang. So again, the reason why I chose this one is because not just for the look, but this one has a 37mm thread. So since meron siyang 37mm thread, I can use this one. This is a step-up ring, so I can screw this in. This is 37 to 49mm step-up ring, and I have some filters from my Nifty 50, kasi Nifty 50 is 49mm, and I do have filters that I use there. So this is how it looks kapag kinabitan mo siya ng step-up ring. I don't know if you can see it, pero yan, that's how it looks. So first off, pwede ko na siyang kabitan ng UV filter. Yan. So I can use UV filter that I already have. Yan. Now once I have the UV filter, I can now use this one, the lens cover. Yan. So ganito itsura niya kanina nung first kong pinakita. May lens cover siya, 'di ba? So number one, nagmukhang mas malaki yung lens. But I know it takes away from the minimalist look or the pocketability of the camera, but syempre I would like to have or to secure the lens more than the pocketability of the camera. Kasi this is not, as you guys all know, this is not a cheap camera. Although this is like a JPEG camera, this is not cheap. Yan. So again, since nalagyan natin siya ng step-up ring, I can use this one. So I have 49mm na alloy hood. So I can use this one for, kapag masyadong maliwanag. And if I'm shooting outside and masyadong mataas yung araw, I can use this one. Yun, medyo malaki na nga lang siya. But ayun, I would rather have my or the safety of my camera. kesa sa pocketability. And ano pa? So, since I already have a 49 millimeter step-up ring, I can also use this is one of my favorite filters, no? This is the black mist filter. So this is ano ba to? Tignan natin. 1/4 na black mist filter from Wolfgang. So ngayon ito yung laging nakakabit sa kanya, the black mist filter. Yan. So this is this is my everyday carry na. Yan, ganyan itsura niya everyday kapag dala-dala ko siya. Kasi araw-araw ko siyang dinadala. Even kapag pumapasok ako. So yan. Ano pa? Since I already have a 49 millimeter, I can also use I have a variable ND filter that I can use dito. So yun. So I now have an ND filter in combination with my black mist filter. So yan. Yan, yung ND filter hindi ko laging kinakabit kasi medyo alangan dito sa sa cover ng lens. Pero nakakabit naman siya. So this is how I wanted to use my camera every day. So hindi ko lang lagi kinakabit yung ND filter, but yung ND filter lagi ko din siyang dala every day. So yeah, this is my setup. This is my camera, and this is the setup that I do carry every day. Yan, kasi pero for the past couple of weeks hindi ko masyadong dinadala yung ND filter dahil maulan. So doesn't make sense na mag-ND filter pa ako. Ayun. The only downside here is because friction fit lang siya dun sa original na dito sa lens mismo ng camera. Yung lens kasi ng camera may manual yung manual focus. So medyo umiikot siya. So as long as you keep that in mind when you're using this ND filter, hindi naman siya problema. But yan, let me see. Yun, ganito siya. Yan, so this is how it looks with the ND filter and black mist filter. Yun. Yan, para mas may glow siya. Even here on this camera, I'm also using a black mist filter. So that's it. Sana nagustuhan nyo. And if you guys have any questions, I don't know if I still have the links, but if I do, I'll include this on the description para kung may gustong bumili, diba? Nandoon yung link. So yun lang. Hope you like this video. And subscribe na kayo. Meron ako 98 subscribers. Gawin naman natin at least 100. Peace.